Hey all, welcome back to this session, and my name is Rahul Kanyal. I'm your host for this session. We are going to talk about 3 ways in which you can tackle fear of failure. We all know that gate is very nearby. And if you are having thoughts like, what if I get a very pathetic rank in gate? What if my parents look down to me? What if I don't make at all to the gate? What if I don't even qualify for gate? That's why this video has been, or this session has been arranged. And I'm not going to take much time for you. I'm going to finish it very quickly because I understand that you guys are maybe shaky. Maybe you're doubting yourself. Maybe the fear is taking over your mind. It's overwhelming you. All right. So hi everyone. Hi Ajay. Hi Bodu. Hi Shelu. Okay, so let's see how we can tackle this fear. For example, let's say you might be feeling that, what if I don't get a good rank? What if I don't clear PSU? What if I don't get into IITs? These kind of fears keep on revolving in our mind, right? So yes, good evening everyone. Good evening Vivek, Vaishnavi, Ajay. Yes. And most of people, Ajay is saying that yes, he's having this problem and he's not able to study because of this. It's a very common problem. All right. So yes, Prabha, actually it's my pleasure that I have come here with you. Okay. I have come here to just share my experiences with you. All right. So good evening, everyone. So number one thing that you need to do is, okay. Yes, Akshay. This is also a very much awaited session for me. All right, my name is Rahul Kanyal. I have done masters from ISC Bangalore. I have also few years of experience in a PSU called BYJU'S. All right, so fine. So let's start with okay. So we have a Mega Mock challenge, and for that you can register. Okay, fine. So let's start with understanding the fear. Okay. So yes, so number one thing that one can do is to understand what a fear is. So what do you think it is? Why do we all have fears? For example, fear of death, right? Fear of death is very natural and it has been given to us by the nature so that we can protect ourselves. If we see a lion, we run. That fear is very natural. But these fears, what if I fail here? It's also, it's unnatural. It's actually self-made. It's made by us. And I'm going to tell you that fear is nothing but a thought. All right, a thought comes up. And let me tell you that a thought, if it's coming in your mind, you don't have any control over that. If you realize it, you will be able to alleviate the fear. Let's say the thought, what if I fail in gate, let's say. All right, so that thought, again and again and again and again repeated, causes a chain reaction that leads to an emotion called fear. Fear is an emotion. All right, this is how any emotion is materialized in our daily life. All right? Yes? Okay, now, because we have understood that fear is an emotion that is coming from a thought, so what can you do to elevate it? Just understand that it is just a thought. And I want you to do one exercise, all right? I want you to just analyze your thoughts. Okay? I want you to analyze your thoughts and just believe me that 99% of your thoughts never happen. I want you to, analyze this in your own system, in your own mind. Don't believe in me or don't believe in anyone. All right? Is that it? So just know that any thought that is coming, you need not respond to it. This realization will actually, take you above the thought. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you. A thought repeated over again and again and again causes fear. What if I don't make it to the gate? The next thought, what if, I don't even qualify for gate? What if I don't even get 10 marks in GATE? So it's a vicious cycle. All right? Yes. Okay. So this is what it is. All right. Now, if you're getting fear, you must obviously analyze it and you must ask yourself some questions, and we'll be talking about that. Okay. Second one is go towards fear. If any fearful thought is coming to you, instead of holding it back, instead of resisting it, because whatever you resist, it persists. All right, I'm going to repeat it. Whatever you resist, it persists. All right, and if you do that, it's going to become bigger and bigger and bigger. For example, let's say if you say that I'm not going to eat burger for 1 month, okay, then even if you restrain yourself for 1 month, you don't eat burger, any junk food out there, and after 1 month, what is going to happen? You're going to get back to eating burger the whole month, the next month. Is that it? Yes? Yes. So if you are resisting fear, if you're resisting a thought, it's going to get multiplied in your mind. So instead of resisting it, just go towards it, okay? Let it come to you. Say to yourself, okay, let me fail. What will happen if I fail? Let's say, okay? No one is going to kill me. I'm going to try again. If I must try again, all right? So this is what I can tell you. If you go towards fear, if you look fear in the eyes, it's going to get dissolved. You can try it. Okay, this is how mind works. Okay, if you run away from a situation, that is not going to help you. If you run away from giving any exams, it's not going to help you, all right? The only thing that is going to help you is if you go towards your fear and say to yourself that, no, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to go there and, succeed. At least try for it. Okay? Yes. So actually, if you are there, you can post in your comments if you are facing anything out there, okay? Fine. Next one is ask the right questions. Okay? For example, one question might be, if I fail, what maximum damage is it going to do? I'm going to repeat it, all right? If I fail, what maximum damage is it going to do? And you'll be surprised that, if it happens actually, the fear, if it happens actually, it's in a much lesser magnitude than the fear. Fear always is greater than fear happening. Actually it's much greater than fear happening actually. For example, if someone has a fear that he's not going to do enough in an examination, and I'm going to talk about GATE because GATE is very nearby, all right, and if he doesn't get into GATE or doesn't get into a rank, let me tell you that he's going to do something else, all right, or he might go into repeating the cycle again. He might try, all right, but he will find a way. I've seen many students who don't do very much better in GATE or in any other examination. Then you need to ask questions, okay? If not GATE, then what? If not CAT, then what? These are these are the thoughts that you get it, okay? Then the right question means that, okay, if you ask the question that, how can I take care of fear? Then you have intelligence inside, okay? And that intelligence will give you answers. It also happens, let me give you an example that, for example, you're looking for an answer, you're doing a problem, all right? You don't get the problem there, but when you wake up, eureka, you are there with the solution. Why? Because you have asked the question to your intelligence that is in your mind. So use that intelligence, okay? Ask the right question. What is maximum going to happen if I'm going to fail? And let me tell you, I have failed so many times in my life. So many times. Okay? They are very necessary. All you need is one success. Out of 100 failures, all you need is one success. That's all. All you need is one yes. Always remember it, all right? And it always comes. Believe me, it always comes. You just need to have patience. You just need to have perseverance, persistence, all right? Okay. Yeah. Root of problem seems from your word is boundary of self-identification. Ashwani is saying self-identification. I'm not going to go into that, okay, because it's very deep. All right. But thinking about much option will also reduce the efforts. Much option will also reduce the efforts one puts. Kushram Yadav. Kushram Yadav, okay. Can you please elaborate that question, Kushram, okay? Is a fear and pressure for performing better? Yeah, it is the fear, and you have been told that you have to hit 6 in the first ball. Good evening, Adarsh, I welcome you here. But it seldom happens, right? Right, it just doesn't happen. All the time, if you're thinking that I'm going to hit 6 in the first ball, that doesn't happen. Maybe you have to check the condition of the pitch, the airflow direction, right? And who is the bowler in front of you? Maybe you just need to access this. Yes. Yes. Okay, then here also, you know, if you're failing, it's good, let me tell you. Anything that was accomplished in this world, they came after many failures. For example, Edison, right? He failed so many times before inventing a bulb. Wright brothers, how many times would you think they would have failed? So many times, so many times, so many times. So always remember that one yes is required. All right? This is what I have to tell you. Okay? Yes, Akshay. Yes. They might become less concerned about gate because now they have easy options. Yeah, actually, Khushram, actually, yeah. But it's good that, you know, you have more options, right? It's good that you have more options because the probability of you hitting a 6 increases. Probability of you doing better in one of the examinations increase. More the examinations, the probability of you getting success increase. All right? This is what I can tell you. Okay, thank you ZK for that. Ashwani, actually, yeah, regarding mind behind gate question setter. This is a very subjective question, you know. But yes, it depends on the person who is making or the team who is making the gate questions. But let me tell you that the questions that come up in gate are easy. Right? They are very easy, and if you know the basics, you are going to do them. You should know the basics of everything. Understanding is very important. Okay, how do we know what we are good at? Vandana says that. Okay, Vandana, you need to try whatever you can try. Okay, for example, for me, I thought that I was going to become a production engineer. I went to BHEL and got into production shop. Then I realized, no, I'm not for this. Then I changed the whole stream to design. Okay, I did it from IISc Bangalore. I got a degree. Then I went to R&D of Tata Motors. Then again, it felt that, you know, I need to do something else. Then I left my company of Tata Motors. All right. Then I went back to my home, opened my own company. All right. Then I failed in that. So many things out there. You need to try everything, whatever you can try. Okay, Vandana? So I'm replying to you. Okay, Junaid says that test series marks are varying from 30 to 49. So, okay. Similar exams should be attempted. Yes, if you can attempt exams out there, obviously, yes, your options increase. You are at peace, all right. But let me tell you, in India, exams are generally tough. It requires more than just hard work to crack any exam in India. Okay, so it's fine. Junaid, 30 to 49, if you're getting, you know, keep on trying. It's fine. If you're not getting the result, it's fine. You just need to focus on your efforts. Okay, because result is not in your hand. Result depends on your effort and so many things out there. Okay. Yeah, Khushram, actually, yes. So it's all about, you know, taking care of our fears, taking care of our mind, and taking care of the mindset. I keep on talking about this word mindset. It's the most important ingredient. Okay? Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, Vandana, thank you. Vaishnavi, make a video or guide on scope and apply for Germany, Singapore through GATE score or MS. Okay, fine, Vaishnavi. I think our team will take this message. Let's see what we can do, all right? Mechatronics good for mechanical engineering student. Prakshit Sharma, I have an answer for you. If you are a mechanical engineering student, just think about going to design. That will give you the maximum scope as a mechanical engineer, all right? Yes, so Suman says that my test series marks are 20, how to improve to qualify GATE. Okay, you just want to qualify GATE, all right, Sumant. Okay, so still, I'd say that just don't do questions out there. Okay, if you do 100 questions and you don't understand why you are doing questions or why a response of a question is the way it is, right? So that is not going to serve you, okay? Go into theory, understand it. That is what I have done always, all right? Yes, okay, fine. And keep on liking this if you're liking this video, all right? And keep on sharing this, keep on sharing the word. It might be of help to others, all right? So Sumant, I answered you. Please go back and understand. This is what I can tell you, all right? Okay, so how to deal with worrying? Ajay, worrying is again a thought, a vicious cycle of thoughts. And you just need to, realize that you are not in control of thoughts, okay? And let them come to you. And once you start letting them come to you, you start looking at them, the influence of thoughts become very bleak. Okay, Ajay? Okay. So Sachin actually cut off marks for making top IITs. It depends on the subject that you are pursuing. Okay, Ashwini, aptitude is very, okay, Ashwini Kumar Singh says that please throw light on aptitude. Actually, aptitude is a very scoring subject, okay? And it's the easiest one, I guess, in GATE. If you're giving GATE, then yes, aptitude. MTech Thermal or for ISC through GATE. So MTech Thermal Mechanical Engineering, okay, fine. So I think it should be, because thermal engineering will be coming under mechanical engineering, and if you're getting top ranks, let's say 50, 55, 60, 65, or maybe, because people might be taking PSUs. So starting from, topmost ranks, starting from number 1 rank to, let's say, 100 rank, you have the chances of getting into ISC. Okay. Yes, Sachin, actually, if you are looking for mechanical engineering, I suggest go and take design. This is what I keep on telling you, all right? Okay. Akhilesh, important topic for aptitude section. I don't believe in telling you important things, all right? Because everything's important. Akhilesh. If you have not done anything, it's always better to go back and do previous year questions and try to understand them. Okay? Yeah. So I replied to Vaishnavi, I replied to Sachin, I replied to Ashwini. Yeah, exactly. Aptitude is skill, not a subject. But what I think, Ashwini, is that, you need to have that as well. Okay, if you're going to IIT, ISC, you also need to have a good speaking ability so that your presentation are impeccable. Okay, maybe because of that they have started this. Okay, yes, Ajay, so yes, you will do your work. So just do your work. This is what I can tell you. Just go there and do your work. Just do what you can do. Otherwise, okay, if you are going to get it, you are going to get it. Okay, just don't think if you're going to get it or not. What if I don't get it? What if I waste my parents' money? And what if, and so many things, what will my girlfriend say? All right. So many things out there. Okay, yes, mechatronics is not good for mechanical engineering. I don't think, Prakshit, mechatronics and all. It is just a fancy word out there. Still, we are talking about things like thermal and production, just dead out there. If you're thinking that if you can get a job after doing MTech in production engineering, you're very wrong. You don't get a job after doing production engineering, all right? So similarly, thermal, if you do, you don't get a job after doing thermal. Okay, then yes, Is there any course in IIT for MTech plus PhD? Yes, Akhilesh, they have an integrated course in IIT. Okay, yes, that will take gate score, a lesser gate score if you want to do MTech plus PhD. Okay, but I don't suggest doing that, Akhilesh Singh, all right? I don't suggest because of so many things out there. Okay, fine. So yes, thoughts are very natural. You just have to look at the thoughts, become aware of them. Aware is the word here, okay? If you become aware of your thoughts, they just dissolve. But it takes some time, all right? Okay, yeah. Don't think like I'm inclined to thermal. Yes, Vaishnavi, if you are into thermal, just don't listen to anyone, including me, okay? Just go there and do whatever you have to do, all right? Yes, yes. So Akshay, yes, I'm almost done. Best research field for mechanical engineers, Sachin, actually, yeah. Then if you talk about research field, then you can choose thermal, you can choose fluids, because you are just talking about research, okay? Assuming that you're not thinking about getting a job out there, okay? So research, yes, you can even go to design. It's a very interesting field, okay? Sachin BN, I'm talking to you. Fine? Okay, so I'm going to repeat whatever I have told you in today's video, understanding the fear, okay? And 99% of thoughts are not true. This is what we said, right? If you realize this, you're going to get above your fear. Second one is go towards fear. Instead of hiding or running away from fear, you just do your karma, do your action, all right? Okay. And without even bothering about the results, just focus on what you can do, right? And ask the right questions, like, you know, what maximum damage is the fear going to bear on me, all right? It's not going to, you know, if you fail, it's not going to crush you, it's not going to kill you, right? You are going to be alive, okay? And if we are alive, we can do so many things. And always remember, in the last, you know, you always need one yes out of 1,000 no's. Just one yes is required, all right? Yes, okay, fine. So with this, I conclude this, okay? Then Vision 2021, we have already started, and you can join in for free to take free trial of it. If you like, please join us. Fine. Then yes, so I conclude the session, all right? And I wish you all the best. Okay. There's one more. Okay, Sachin, if you're interested in CFD domain, then I think you should look at doing MTech through an IIT, okay? Fine, yes. College I want to pursue ME and did PG from industrial, and my friends took those IITs today, but I'm still struggling to get one job night. Okay. I'm getting frustrated. Society, parents are wasted. What to do is fine, Abhishek Singh. Let me tell you that, you know, I was also in your position once a time, okay? When actually I got passed out from BTech, I could not get placed when everyone was getting placed, all right? I'm talking to Abhishek Singh, okay? And don't lose your heart, all right? Maybe, you know, you can try some other degree, let's say. If you already have a PG from industrial, maybe you can try MBA, all right? All right, so don't lose hope. Maybe you can go to a field of, stats, a field of, what do you call them? I'm not getting the word exactly. Okay, fine. So if it comes to me, I'll tell you certainly, all right? Data scientist, okay, data analysis. So don't lose your heart. You might be very young, all right? Don't have suicidal thoughts. And I can understand if you're having suicidal thoughts, okay? So I have been in that place as well, but I keep on telling that you just need one yes. That's all. Keep on trying, keep on trying, keep on trying. What our course for mechanical is good for, all right? Okay, fine. Yeah, Prakshit, actually you can click on the link. Maybe our team can provide you the link, all right? And maybe you can join us for free, and let's see how it is going. I think it's fantastic. It's going fantastic, Vision 2021. And yes, we have already started with industrial engineering, and I'm taking that, all right? So yes, Adarsh M, what do you want me to reply? Yeah, FEA comes under design, okay? Mechanical design. FEA, yes, FEA career opportunities are lots out there. Okay, yes, you will have lots of career opportunities after mechanical engineering. FEA, if you can do MTech in design, Adarsh M, all right. Yeah, aerospace is also a good option. Okay, aerospace is also a good option given that you are doing it from IIT Bombay, aerospace, all right. And yes, but limited jobs, and I can tell you that they have very limited seats as well. But yeah, very interesting. And if you can think of doing or converting your MTech to PhD, yes, aerospace engineering is good. All right. So yes, sir is getting about in GATE create a career. Akshay, don't worry about all these marks. Okay, just leave all these marks and let me tell you that. Understand things, okay? Understand why things are happening the way they are happening. And I think if you can improve your understanding to a much deeper level, then you can get better ranks in GATE. And there's no correlation between the marks that you're getting in a test series and the mark that you're going to get in GATE. Let me tell you this, okay? Fine, then I have had a wonderful option. I also replied to Abhishek Singh. I'll catch you soon and I wish you all the best. Let's see if we can come up with more sections. All right. And yeah, Chetan, actually CFD field is very good in aerospace. Okay, CFD, computational fluid dynamics, and a bit of structural analysis also is done in aerospace. It's a very hot field if you ask me. Okay, jobs are also there, not very much jobs are there, but you can always opt for a research after your MTech. That's also a very prominent option for you. All right. Yes. Okay, fine, Prakshit. Yes, we are also preparing for EAC in Vision 2021. Good. It's good to know that, Prakshit. All right. Then I have to terminate it now, and I wish you all the best. I think that I have added some value in your life. Okay. Sumant, actually, yes, we have a GATE booster series, or score booster series for GATE, and we are taking up few subjects for revision. All right. Yes. So Sumant, actually, you can go back and try our app. In that, you'll be notified for it. Okay. So thank you very much. God bless you. Keep on smiling. Keep on believing, and always remember that a real warrior never quits. All right. Thank you.